Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly special, a blast from the past with a modern twist. Say hello to the 2026 Karmann Ghia, a beautifully reimagined icon that blends the spirit of vintage design with the innovation of modern technology. Whether you're a classic car lover or someone who appreciates sleek and timeless aesthetics, this car demands your attention. At first glance, the exterior design is a showstopper. The 2026 Karmann Ghia retains the smooth flowing lines that made the original such a design legend, but it now comes with a futuristic edge. The car's body features an aerodynamic silhouette, sculpted to perfection. Its low-slung stance, sharp LED headlamps, and a redefined front grille give it a bold road presence. The modernized chrome accents and the signature rounded fenders pay homage to the classic design while embracing contemporary styling cues. The wheels are a masterpiece. 20-inch diamond-cut alloys with a retro turbine design, wrapped in low-profile performance tires for both style and grip. Whether it's painted in a vintage olive green or a radiant electric blue, the Karmann Ghia of 2026 knows how to stand out in any crowd. Moving around to the rear, the clean and minimal back design is just as captivating. The taillights are slim, full-width OLED strips that light up in an elegant sequence when braking or turning. A subtle ducktail spoiler and a flush rear bumper bring a touch of aggression, while the centered Karmann Ghia script in brushed aluminum adds a premium classic feel. The dual exhausts are hidden, as this new Ghia is available as a fully electric model, with an optional hybrid variant for those who still crave some engine growl. Step inside the cabin, and you're welcomed by an interior that is both retro and high-tech. The dashboard design is clean and symmetrical, inspired by the original model but crafted with modern materials like vegan leather, soft alcantara, and brushed aluminum. The centerpiece is a wide, curved 15-inch infotainment screen that seamlessly blends with the digital instrument cluster. This screen controls everything from navigation and media to driving modes and climate settings. Ambient lighting flows across the dashboard and doors in soft, customizable colors, creating a lounge-like atmosphere during night drives. The two-spoke steering wheel is a nod to the past, but it's equipped with haptic feedback and integrated controls for all major functions. The seats are low and sporty, designed for a snug fit with integrated ventilation and massage features. Rear seating is available, but realistically it's best used for storage or occasional short rides. Just like the original coupe, there's also a front and rear trunk, offering impressive practicality for a sports coupe. The build quality feels top tier, with every button and stitch reflecting German precision and design excellence. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia does not disappoint. The base electric model delivers around 320 horsepower, with a 0-60 mph time of under 5 seconds, thanks to its lightweight chassis and dual motor setup. Range is rated at approximately 310 miles on a single charge, and it supports fast charging that gives you 80% juice in under 30 minutes. The optional hybrid model pairs a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, producing a combined output of around 400 horsepower and giving you a more traditional exhaust note while still offering electric-only driving modes. Handling is precise and confident. Thanks to a low center of gravity, active suspension, and electronic stability aids, the car feels sharp in corners and smooth on long highway cruises. The steering is responsive with just the right amount of feedback. Brake regeneration is adjustable, letting you customize how much the car slows down when lifting off the throttle. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or simply gliding through the city, the Karmann Ghia delivers a refined, exhilarating drive. Technology and safety are also front and center. You get advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated parking. There's also a 360-degree camera system and a smart AI voice assistant that can control almost every aspect of the car through natural speech. Over-the-air updates ensure your car's software remains up to date without any trips to the dealership. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is positioned as a premium lifestyle coupe. The electric base model starts at around $52,000, while the performance hybrid variant can go up to $65,000 depending on customization. Optional packages include a carbon fiber exterior trim kit, a panoramic glass roof, upgraded sound system by Bang & Olufsen, and a sport performance pack with launch control and adaptive dampers. So, who is this car for? It's for the dreamers, the nostalgics, the design lovers, and the new age performance enthusiasts. The 2026 Karmann Ghia isn't trying to be the fastest car on the road or the most high-tech EV. What it offers is something more rare. Character, beauty, heritage, and emotion, all wrapped in a futuristic yet familiar shell. It's a love letter to the past, engineered for tomorrow. If you're as impressed as we are, let us know in the comments below what you think about the return of the Karmann Ghia. Would you drive one? Is this the perfect blend of retro and modern? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.